Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our update, our weekly update. We're going to have every Monday on our DeFi alts list. So it's not a chart, but we'll go straight over to my my spreadsheet, see what's going on. So yeah, you can see we had our first weekly update last week where we had an average return of 16% in USD. 14% in BTC, so that's 14% higher than the BTC increase. And yeah, we had some good winners. So this week, this is our gains. So this is our weekly change from last week. So it's from these numbers. So you can see overall we've got an average this week in USD of 12.62% gain. And a BTC gain of roughly the same. BTC is not really doing anything this week. And that is a total change from the very beginning of 31% in USD and 29% in BTC. So BTC has gone up ever so slightly in this time period, but not much. But yeah, so 30+% gain in USD, so, or just call it 30% in BTC value. So that's pretty good gains. You can see from the beginning we've had some absolute standout winner here of a 217% increase, which is Elrond over here. Elrond doing really well. We've got another good gain in Cosmos in Atom, which is up 60%. It doesn't seem much compared to 200%. And then we've got a couple of the high ones as well. We've got ChainX up quite a lot, Carve up a lot, and iExec up a lot. I'm not actually. I considered removing Carver because I don't especially like the project anymore. But as a DeFi trading vehicle, with it moving so well, I did actually buy a lot of it anyway. Though I moved into it because it hadn't had a pump when Elrond and other ones had a pump. So I did actually move capital into Carver, and then it did have a big 25% plus pump. So yeah, I do think I might have to leave it on just as a pure DeFi trading, because there are I mean, not a lot of these are on Binance, and you've got to remember a lot of people trade on Binance, so a lot of people, maybe more than these other exchanges, so you will find certain coins just will have big pumps because they're more accessible to more people. So yeah, the big winners this week, the biggest winner again was Elrond. The biggest winner was Elrond, yeah. We did have some losers this week. Our biggest loser being some losers somewhere. Our biggest losers been Kusama, Edgeware and ChainX. Sorry, Edgeware and Edgeware and ChainX. These are some of my favorite picks, but these coins again, like I said, these aren't on like the big Binance exchanges, so I feel like the Binance ones potentially are exposed to just higher liquidity pools. Amount of people that can buy them. So, but I do think these are the better coins, and I think long run these will perform, and they're still doing well from the beginning, from the very start. But yeah, there's a few other coins that I've added that I've been buying. Ocean Protocol, which is on MXC and Bittrex, and these Engine and Decentraland are two coins that sort of deal with like virtual products and things, so like virtual things, which may have a big future. So they're two good coins that I'm looking at, and then Maker, which is obviously MakerDAO, which I believe is on here anyway. Yeah, so I'm not sure why I wrote this in here. I obviously forgot it was on there, so we will just delete that. But yeah, it's a governance token for MakerDAO, so yeah, I think that has got a lot of potential. So yeah, all looking very good. All looking very good at the time being. Some big gains. If you look at the actual overall losers, the losers from the very beginning, anything that's down, notably we have got Balancer is down 12% since the beginning. One of the few coins that is down anything of note. Too many ofs in that. I mean, we've got a tiny down there, tiny percent down there, 12% down, and then we have a 23% down over here in Kasha, but Kasha had quite a big pump. So Kasha is down, but Kasha had a big pump when we actually bought it. And then again, Swissborg down 15% since the beginning. But again, that was off the back of a big pump initially anyway. I mean, literally, the opening price for our purpose was
0 spot 118, whereas literally 2 weeks ago this was 0 spot 023. So we got it initially on our list off the back of more than a 4x gain. So it to be down 15% from the beginning is nothing major to say how much is actually pumped up, and then a couple of small losers here. But yeah, overall though, you can see massive gains for these DeFi alts. Obviously getting in here was a good move into these, but getting in early would have been an even better move because these guys have been flying. So yeah, so this is a good little project we've got going on here. We'll keep a track of these. I will add some other ones I'm interested in adding, and I'll delete some other ones. Obviously I can't add them now, I'll have to add them as of this week. But yeah, so that's what we are looking at here. So yeah, great gains, guys. Great gains, guys. Didn't mean to call you all gays there. I went great gains, gays. Great gains, guys. So yeah, any other ones that you guys are looking at? You've had big pumps in. Obviously, Dogecoin had a big pump, but we did take that out because it wasn't sticking strictly to our mission. XRP had a bit of a pump, but we took it off because it wasn't sticking to our mission. But yeah, so yeah, any coins that you've been looking at? Did you guys get in on any of these gains? I know some of you did. Some of you guys did. So yeah, let me know. And yeah, and I look forward to speaking to you guys and catching up on the next weekly update for our altcoins.